A sample keto menu for 1 week. The following menu provides less than 50 grams of total carbs per day. As mentioned above, some people may have to reduce carbohydrates even further in order to reach ketosis. This is a general 1 week ketogenic menu that can be altered depending on individual dietary needs. Monday menu. Breakfast. 2 eggs fried in pastured butter served with sautéed greens. Lunch. A bunless grass-fed burger topped with cheese, mushrooms, and avocado top a bed of greens. Dinner. Coconut chicken curry. Tuesday menu. Breakfast. Mushroom omelette. Lunch. Tuna salad with celery and tomato top a bed of greens. Dinner. Roast chicken with cream sauce and sautéed broccoli. Wednesday menu. Breakfast. Bell pepper stuffed with cheese and eggs. Lunch. Arugula salad with hard-boiled eggs, turkey, avocado, and blue cheese. Dinner. Grilled salmon with spinach sautéed in coconut oil. Thursday menu. Breakfast. Full-fat yogurt topped with keto granola. Lunch. Steak bowl with cauliflower rice, cheese, herbs, avocado, salsa. Dinner. Bison steak with cheesy broccoli. Friday menu. Breakfast. Baked avocado egg boats. Lunch. Caesar salad with chicken. Dinner. Coconut chicken curry. Saturday menu. Breakfast. Cauliflower toast topped with cheese and avocado. Lunch. Bunless salmon burgers topped with pesto. Dinner. Meatballs served with zucchini noodles and parmesan cheese. Sunday menu. Breakfast. Coconut milk chia pudding topped with coconut and walnuts. Lunch. Cobb salad made with greens, hard-boiled eggs, avocado, cheese and turkey. Dinner. Coconut chicken curry. ASAM.